In 2025, electric scooters have moved far beyond being a niche gadget for enthusiasts. They're now a legitimate alternative to cars and public transport for daily city commuting. The industry has made impressive strides in recent years. Range has increased, safety systems have evolved, smart features have become standard, and designs are now as ergonomic as they are stylish. Even budget models can deliver solid speeds, basic suspension, and water resistance, making them a practical choice for everyday rides. Mid-range scooters raise the bar with larger batteries, reinforced frames, and features like cruise control, dual braking systems, and better shock absorption. At the top end, premium models are essentially compact electric motorcycles, offering speeds over 40 miles per hour, ranges above 50 miles, adaptive suspension, and advanced app integration. In this ranking, we'll take you from affordable, reliable options to high-end flagships packed with cutting-edge technology and comfort.
The Segway Ninebot E2 Pro takes 5th place as a practical, well-equipped option for daily commuting. With a top speed of 15.5 miles per hour and a maximum range of up to 25 miles in eco mode, it's built for efficient urban travel rather than high-performance thrills. The 350-watt motor, peaking at 750 watt, delivers smooth acceleration and can tackle inclines of up to 18%, making it suitable for varied city terrain. Ride comfort is improved with front suspension on the Pro version, and stability is supported by Segway's traction control system. Safety features include a dual braking setup, a front drum brake paired with a rear electronic brake, ensuring quick, predictable stopping power. The large 2.8-inch dashboard gives clear ride data at a glance, while Apple Find My integration adds an extra layer of security. With UL 2272 certification, it meets stringent electrical safety standards. Its drawbacks include modest top speed compared to sport-oriented models and performance that drops when riding at maximum pace, limiting real-world range. Overall, the E2 Pro is a smart, secure choice for riders prioritizing safety, stability, and dependable daily performance over raw power.
The NIU KQi3 Max earns its position with a strong balance of speed, range, and ride comfort. It reaches up to 23.6 miles per hour, powered by a 450-watt motor peaking at 900 watts, and can deliver a real-world range of around 40 miles under moderate riding conditions. Its large 9.5-inch pneumatic tires work with a sturdy frame to provide stability on varied urban surfaces, while dual disc brakes combined with regenerative braking offer precise stopping power. The wide deck and ergonomic handlebar position make long rides more comfortable, and the scooter handles inclines up to 25% without struggling. On the downside, its 21-kilogram weight makes it less convenient to carry, and the larger frame can feel cumbersome in tight storage spaces. Still, the KQi3 Max stands out as a dependable, high-performance commuter scooter with a premium feel, aimed at riders who want both speed and stability in everyday use.
The Hiboy S2 Pro takes 3rd place for combining solid commuting performance with practical features at an accessible price point. Its 500-watt brushless hub motor delivers speeds up to 19 miles per hour, while the 36-volt 11.6 amp-hour battery offers a maximum range of around 25 miles under ideal conditions. The 10-inch solid tires, paired with dual rear shock absorbers, provide a stable and reasonably comfortable ride over typical city surfaces, handling minor bumps without issue. Safety is supported by a double braking system, front disc brake and rear EABS regenerative braking, and an ultra-bright headlight with up to 15 meters of range. The scooter folds for convenient storage or transport, and Hiboy's mobile app allows for locking as well as customizing acceleration and braking behavior. Its main limitations are reduced ride comfort compared to pneumatic tire models and a performance drop on steep inclines. Still, the S2 Pro is a reliable, low-maintenance choice for riders seeking an easy-to-use, compact commuter with consistent daily performance.
The Apollo Go bridges the gap between commuter convenience and high-performance riding, with dual 350-watt motors delivering a combined peak of 1,500 watts. It reaches up to 28 miles per hour and tackles 25% gradients with confidence. The 21700 battery cell pack supports a range of up to 30 miles in eco mode, around 20 in standard, and roughly 15 in sport, giving flexibility for both longer commutes and quick urban trips. Its 360-degree lighting system, with 5 strategically positioned light sources, greatly improves visibility in all conditions, an uncommon feature even in premium models. Comfort is handled by the airflow suspension setup, combining a dynamic front spring with a polyurethane rear system for over 2 inches of travel, effectively smoothing out road imperfections. Puncture guard self-healing tires further reduce maintenance concerns. Limitations come in the form of a range drop in sport mode and a weight that makes frequent carrying impractical. Still, the Apollo Go delivers a refined, powerful, and comfort-oriented ride that earns its place near the top of the premium class.
The V3 Ultra Ultimate claims the top spot in 2025 for sheer performance and versatility. Powered by dual 3,000-watt motors for a combined 6,000-watt output, it reaches speeds over 65 miles per hour with rapid, controlled acceleration. The 60V 33 amp-hour UL certified battery delivers up to 80 miles of range in eco mode, making it suitable for both extended urban commutes and long recreational rides. A steering damper significantly improves high-speed stability, while the oversized 14-inch wide deck provides exceptional comfort and balance even during aggressive riding. Hydraulic suspension front and rear absorbs impacts far better than standard spring systems, and 11-inch off-road tires ensure grip across diverse surfaces. Braking is handled by dual hydraulic disc brakes for precise stopping power at any speed. The scooter's waterproof wiring design simplifies maintenance, and its near-complete assembly out of the box means minimal setup. At this level, portability is sacrificed for size and stability, but for riders who want extreme speed, range, and control, the V3 Ultra Ultimate sets the benchmark.
From compact, affordable commuters to extreme high-performance machines, the 2025 electric scooter market offers something for every rider. Our rankings showed how the entry-level segment now delivers solid range, safety, and tech at prices that make daily e-scooter use accessible, while mid-tier options bring more comfort, speed, and durability for serious city riding. At the top, premium and flagship models like the V3 Ultra Ultimate redefine what's possible, blending motorcycle-level power with advanced suspension, braking, and long-range capability. No matter the budget or purpose, the right scooter in 2025 can transform your daily commute, weekend adventure, or even your approach to urban mobility. Choose wisely. Your perfect ride is out there.